I can't talk too much as me telling you, say, we're on a show, so I'm not going to let the puss out of the bag. We're going to watch Love and Hip Hop on MTV every Tuesday, forget the tea of everything, every detail. But it gave me a vibe where I was so hurt for my birthday, I had to just put my best foot forward and come out and act like, you know, I was happy and everything was okay, but I was so annoyed the day before when I was in Jamaica, when every single person, I can't call name, I'm not ready to get there yet. I didn't see Karlie green scream. Someone want to hear out of fear mouth, or words out her mouth. What she gonna come say for lie, because you know me always have my receipts and my proof. So I was very, very annoyed because people keep on come up and I say, oh, Karlie, act like you're stressed out. I wonder if she want me to get her some money. She just talk about what she do and she stressed out. And even my friend was like, do you want me to send you some money? You want me to cash up you? Like, what's going on? But at the end of the day, fast forward past that, she and I did a song together. And we know the song on #1 was the #1 reggae song. Y'all see the whole run through of everything that I went through with Karlie to get that song out. The song did extremely great. But I just feel like she gave me an opportunist vibe on top of that. Because it's like me and her friend, she and me that friend, but she feel like she friend me that. Because she gave me an opportunist vibe. She submitted the song and she never tell me. I found out that she submitted the song because I'm a member of the Grammy board, and when I log on for vote for Shaggy, I see the song pop up. So me I say, this look weird. This just looks strange. Like, me not understand, like, I don't know if it's me, but you guys can talk to me and tell me, you know. It just give me a little opportunist vibe, because she never tell me, but she tell me that she have me that submit the song, and she never tell me and my song. So me I say, if me go through so much to record a song with you, you know what I'm saying? Multiple times, over and over, 20 times at the studio, back and forth, your song went #1. Why would you not tell me, the artist who is on the song? The only reason why you never tell me, Karlie, is because you never know that I was on the Grammy board. You never know that I could submit the song, and you never know I could have voted for you. You thought it was only me that alone. So that's why it gives me an opportunist vibe. So for me to find out, because me log in for vote for Shaggy, I feel like that was fucked up. And if it's not fucked up, I will take it from my best friends to tell me the truth. You know? But that's just one of the additional things. So I start pre our sideway and I look on our sideway like, you give off a look at opportunist vibe. The friendship is like, it's not a two-way stream, it's vice versa. First, you do that to me at Jamaica. I was embarrassed on the island. I feel some kind of way. I walk with my heart on my sleeve. I'm very prideful. I'm a Leo. Everybody know me stay. No, I'm not boastful, but I'm very prideful, and me don't want nobody feel like, say, like, come on, you know, I could have thrown out one party. If it was an issue, you shouldn't make it seem like it's an issue. Because of the bigger things that I do for you when it's your birthday, and nobody don't know. When it's your birthday, we not film on Love and Hip Hop. So you know it genuinely I come from no camera now come with me. So you know anything I do for you, it's from my heart. And I know I'm not going to talk about it. I know I'm not going to drag you and bash you, but I'm going to explain so people can understand what the fuck is going on. Okay, so we move past her doing that to Jamaica. We move past her submitting my own song and not telling me. So me start watch her and pray her. Mida came to me one day and she was like, oh, Karlie's coming to New York. She want you to perform. But she not say nothing to me, you know. Everything she has said to Mida. So all of a sudden she and Mida, a friend, best friend. So it give me an opportunist vibe, because we know why you want to be friends with Mida. Let's be clear, but we not reached this yet. So we're going to stick to the story. Anyway, she come and say, oh, she want to perform. So I say, no, I know so performance go. I don't joke with my craft. I'm a real artist, and I'm not going to just go up on a stage, go perform with Karlie, and we not do the rehearsal, and I don't know how her like a performer like that. But long and short of it, she not say nothing to me. She got to me that I said these things. Anyway, so we move past that. So me a pray her. Me not have her as my friend like anymore, because I know me I watch you sideways, because you give her a little vibe, and me I watch you sideways. When I got sick, obviously, she did come to the DR and we did spoke, obviously. Me near to death, step on the bed, whatever the case may be. But before we got to that point, the reason why we didn't speak, when I bought this house last year, a lot of you don't know because I don't post it. You only know because you watch Love and Hip Hop. This house, I bought it from last year, maybe July. And I just never feel like posting it, because sometimes, and everybody have a happy feel. And then everybody, I go, sometimes it's good to work in silence. I just take that. I just say that, right? So I have her moving funny and I've been watching her. But to put the icing on the cake, what happened? When I bought my house, she was the only person I told, and I told Mida, which, you know, I have them as my friend. So I showed them the house. I tell them about the house, but I never posted the house on social media. Again, because, you know, I don't want everybody to have a business, whatever. It just so happens that we're on reality TV and it's not much you can hide. You know, you just have to be an open book when you're on the show because you know what you sign up for. But long and short of it, Uno never say me post it, say me buy the house, but I told her and I showed her the house and my kids was happy. I'm going to post a video of how passionate my kids was when I showed them this house. And so, you know, I was just expressing to her that I'm happy. I'm comfortable. I'm so grateful that God saved my life, that, you know, now that I can be with my kids, telling her all the plans that I have for my kids, and I'm going to build a pool, and just telling her whatever. She knows I bought the house. The neighbor that she bought the house from was my friend. And one day she said to me, Lord, young Karlie, I'm going to take over the whole neighborhood and I'm going to live in the scheme. And I'm like, what are you talking about? What do you mean? So it was like, wait, so Karlie didn't tell you that she's trying to buy the house? I was shocked. I feel betrayed. Here I am having this friend that I talk to every day. She not telling me. I told her about my house. She's doing this. She not tell me. So you know what I did? I never tell her nothing either. September, we went to Carnival in New York. And out of the blues, our conscience a rider. So when Karlie conscience a rider, she said to me, sis, I have something to tell you. Me know already, you know, but me I play fool for catch wise. I'm sorry, Americans. The Jamaicans know what I'm talking about. I just need to be myself when I need to express myself. So me I play fool for catch wise because me already know. But she now tell me, say she a pre for buy the house next door to me. So me I watch her, because me already been a watch her from Jamaica, been a watch everything what she do, been a watch her with the song, and me I watch her. She's like, oh sis, I have something to tell you. You know, the house, she said, I don't remember her exact words, I don't want to tell a lie upon her. She said, I just found out. Yes. She said, I just found out yesterday that the house I'm trying to buy is in the community or whatever. So I said, Karlie, stop fucking lying to me. I said, stop lying to me because I know about the situation. I know about the house. I already hear everything. And why you trying to buy the house next door to me behind my back? At the end of the day, let me explain something to you. I feel like if Karlie came to me and said, sis, you know, I see this house selling next door to you. What do you think? I will reason it out. It would have come off different. But the fact that she had do it behind my back and she not tell me, it give me a little stalker vibe. It rub me the wrong way. It does come off as a betrayal. I mean, I try to preen on my head. What the fuck is Karlie up to? What's her motive? You know what I'm saying? So, me and her had a little argument where I said to her, that come off fake to me, Karlie. It come off real fake because at the end of the day, I personally I don't care if you're my best friend. I don't want nobody in my personal space when it comes down to my home. My home is my peace. My home is my heaven. My home is my sanity. You know what I'm saying? It gives me sanity. And Karlie friends are not my friends. So everything that I'm saying to you, I already say that to her. So she know exactly how I feel. Your friends are not my friends. I don't want to pull up in my driveway, in my house, where I spend $2 million for, and my spirit I got aggravated because you have some people over your house. I pull up in your driveway and I don't talk to them and they're not my friends. So if me wrong, I'm okay with telling me that I'm wrong. You know what I'm saying? But I told her, I said, your friends are not my friends. So yes, this makes me feel some kind of way. I know I don't want you to live 2 steps away from me. Drink some water. I just came off the flight. I'm super tired, but I had to come and just kind of share with you guys. And yes, I'm not going to drag her. I'm just going to explain to you guys. I want to take from the story. I want to pinch one pinch. I want to run with one run with. But because I do Spice TV Tuesdays every Tuesday, I didn't want, because it's a bad experience, this episode, I just disappear and never come talk to you. So yes, I still come even though I'm exhausted and coming off of the flight and I'm not in a good mood. All right, so I told her, I said, your friends are not my friends. And no, I don't want you to live 2 steps away from my home with my children, because I don't know who you bring into your house. Like, it just weird. It just, me don't want that in my space. I didn't catch the story. Lord Jesus, me just talk for nearly 30 minutes now, and you just come. Somebody tell her the story. Follow your instincts, mama, because when I'll fail you, spice mine, you know, because I don't want to angle something. All right, so where am I? So I explained to her, say, I don't want you living next door to me because your friends are not my friends. And at the end of the day, you might be the friends with the whole of Atlanta. You might want to carry everybody come at your house. Whatever the case may be, I'm not that type of person. When I get off stage, my fans know me. When I take off my blue wig, I'm go back to being Grace. They want to play my gospel. Me and my kids, them just want happy, comfortable, and at peace. So I felt like she invaded my space, invaded my peace, invaded my home. And I didn't like it. And I told her. So that's just basically what the situation was when it comes down to me and Karlie. Okay? And it just so happened that you guys are seeing it on national TV. And I know I don't feel good about it. And I'm not in the best of spirits about it. But yeah, I'm going to talk about it because I value you guys' opinion, for one. And I promise I'm going to do this every Tuesday with you guys so we can talk about it. That's just a weird vibe, Spice. So it just give me stalker vibe, and it just come off wrong. And I think even if she just popping up at my house and saying she has surprised me, it just give me a weird vibe. It's not, these houses, guys, the cost for these houses, the cost for these houses is something I don't want to disclose. But if you read between the lines, this ain't no chicken feed money. It ain't no little walk in the park. It's a whole process to get up and buy a house. So for you to go through these months of doing all the paperwork and doing all of that and keeping it a secret from me and doing it behind my back and just, it doesn't sit well with me. Just pray over your home. It will keep the bad vibes away. Let me say it already more. So it's just giving me a weird vibes, and that's where it was with Karlie. She did a lot of things, you know, that betrayed me, and me is the type of person, I did my song with say, Mama used to say, Mama used to say, Mama used to tell me, friends not good for you, girl, but I know I will learn the hard way. I did that song from real life because I have been through a lot with friends. I have been through a lot with friends, so it's hard for me when you betray me. And that's just how I felt. I felt betrayed. And the type of friend that I am to Karlie, it hurts even more because of the type of friend that I am to her. So even me, you as a friend, if you do something to me when me knowing I myself say I will never do to you or I would have never do to you, it's just a hard comeback for me. Because I'm just loyal to my friends. That's just point blank period facts. Like, I'm just that loyal person. So she just betrayed me and I feel fucked up over the situation. Never like how she deal with it. And you definitely my twin. Oh my God. My wig is ugly, guys. I just throw this on because I'm coming on live. Don't mind me. I just really wanted to chit chat with you guys before I jump in the shower and jump in this damn bed because I'm exhausted and tired as hell. She kind of leave me alone. But let's fight. I see people telling me about, oh, I owe you an apology because you was right. But we'll get into that next week. She kind of wasn't lying about her and me, though. For real, same thing with me. I have been hurt by friends too much time. That's why I stay to myself. You should show your real ear. Me have good ear under my wig, them, you know. Me shoe on my wig. Me shoe on my real ear. One day, I'm going to pull my real hair out and show you guys. My ear not stay bad. Bring Shekinah on this conversation. Me tell her Shekinah, she go want me apologize to her. I not apologize. Maybe she just wants to be your friend. Spice Scrappy did sound like a Trini. Dead would laugh. Follow your instincts. You're so beautiful. Thank you, Miss Unruly. So she did buy the house. Yes, she bought the house exactly next door to me, 2 steps away. If me belch in my house, she can't hear it. If me use the toilet, Karlie can't smell it. If me have sex, she gonna know which man. She live 2 steps away. Yes, she buy the house. Me not ask you. Why you never call Rashida? Rashida have her own bone to pick with Karlie. Hey, girl. Shekinah, I saw you watching my BT performance, friend. I was so excited. I was like, my friend cheering for me from Atlanta.
You know I'm cheering for you, girl. Friends not good for you, girl.
Oh, the song. Mama used to say, Mama used to say, Mama used to tell me. Finish it, Shekinah.
Friends not good for you, girl. I love that song. I listen to that song, but I had to learn the hard way. I listen
for that. Yeah, friend.
I love you, lady. I'm so proud of you.
So much. Thank you, babe.
I'm so proud of you. You just did your thing the other day. You was just, girl, what was going on? How you hit that split like that?
Easily. I keep telling you, God, girl, that I'm ready, and you keep telling me I'm not ready.
Girl,
you think I'm crazy?
Girl, did you hear that? Did you see that split?
I saw it. I did it.
I was devastated. I want to do it.
Did you watch this week's episode? You keep looking cuter and cuter every episode. You look real nice.
You think so?
I know so. I'm telling. It's a compliment. You're supposed to say thanks.
Thank
bitch.
you. Well, y'all, Spice got something to do with it. She been helping me with my wardrobe or whatever because she said I dress like an old ass lady. Tell the people what you tell me.
I tell you the truth. When I see you, I said, Shekinah, where you going in that? That don't look good. That look like an old lady.
So y'all, I've been stepping my game up, y'all, because my friend told me I got to step it up. She said she don't like you. Girl, I love you.
I love you too.
And I'm
the people want to know
friend.
what you think about this week's episode.
Huh?
My besties want to know what you think about this week's episode.
Karlie ain't no business buying no motherfucking house across the street from you. The fuck? She took that shit too far. It's not that serious. I don't want to see who fuck. I don't want my friend to see who coming at my house and fucking me.
I know you sure would have never want me to live next door to you, because you know that's every man that's fucking you, because you keep saying you're not fucking, and I know you is.
That's what I'm saying. That ain't your business.
I hate you so bad.
You gotta worry about who getting this pum pum.
Boom, 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 boom.
I love you, lady. Call me when you get off this live. We gotta talk.
Okay, I love you, sis. You have to hang up. You know I don't know how to take you off.
I love everybody on this live. We love y'all. Keep supporting my girl Spice. She done came back around this motherfucking. It's up and it's stuck. And go get that new album that just came out. Go download it. YouTube.
Jealous is out now, guys. Make sure you stream Jealous. All of y'all. Let me get Jealous song going. My song out called Jealous. You know that, right?
Jealous is it. What do you mean? Do I know it? I just was in the video.
You was in the other video. It was in Queen of Dancehall video.
Girl, I'm talking about. I just act like I was you the other day with your
yeah, at the video release party. Yes.
I just had that shit on. Remember?
I know. I just forgot.
I love you.
I love you more. I've been going through a lot.
Instagram. I love y'all. Instagram family.
let's get into this real quick, guys. Don't forget to give me your opinion. Let me know what you think about this whole situation that's going on. I am very open. I'm not perfect. I'm a human being. I may be a celebrity, but I'm also human. So I'm willing to listen to you guys. I'm willing to take y'all advice. So let me know what you guys think about what's going on. My new song is out. It's called Jealous. What do you guys think? That's crazy. I think so too. I love you too, Jessie Blaze. Let's get into this song. My new song is out. It's called Jealous. Oh my God, what did I do a while ago? Okay. Jealous video. Oh, guys, make sure you get into it real quick. Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh, yes, I am killing them. Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh, yes, I am killing them. La 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 la. I don't have no problem with nobody, no drama. Only happiness, a full stop, and no comma. La 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 la. The focus on my color. Me no falla dancing, am my happy. Moving my body, and me whining, can me happy. Happy. Me no stop, me flabby. When you see my body, you feel happy, you feel happy, because I'm living happy. Me tell them, oh yes. Who don't like me, I couldn't care less. Me a dance, cause me happy and blessed. Me no in no drama, no mess, no in no stress. Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh yes, I am killing them. Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh yes, I am killing them. Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh yes, I am killing them. Jealous because I'm killing them. I wake up happy every day. I attract love, I manifest happiness. Only good stuff, I attract the richness. Manifest wealth, good health and fitness. No wickedness, I manifest good dance. And me shake, and me roll. Dancing is sweet to me heart and me soul. It has a cold for me page and my soul. But God have my life under control. Oh yes, who don't like me, I couldn't care less. Me a dance and me happy and blessed. Me no in no drama, no mess, no in no stress. Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh yes, I am killing them. Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh yes, I am killing them. Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh yes, I